Hey everyone, I'm Spencer and we're here with Fiona McEntee, nationally known attorney, author, mother of two. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited.
You've dedicated your career to advocating for immigrants' rights. How have you been able to leverage being in Chicago or being in the Midwest to help with that purpose?
So I guess the first thing is that I moved from Ireland to Chicago, and I've pretty much lived in Chicago the whole time that I've been in the US. I first came here as an international student to go to law school, and so Chicago has such a rich, diverse immigrant population, everything from, mom and pop store owners to huge international population. And I think we're also very fortunate to live in a city that appreciates and supports immigration on lots of different levels. And I think that kind of forms part of the advocacy, is me being in Chicago, having this great community of people who just see immigration as a good thing.
Why is it important for the Midwest to have a presence at South by Southwest, especially from the advocacy standpoint? Why is it imperative to be here? What's the value in being here?
Well, I think, sometimes when we hear about immigration in the media, we're kind of disproportionately consuming maybe stories about the southern border or like deportation stories. We're not actually hearing all the other facets of immigration. And one of the things that I do is I do a lot of startup immigration. And Chicago and the Midwest has such a rich international student population. And, there's so many stats about startups and immigrant founders. Like over 55% of the unicorns in America today were founded by an immigrant, and a quarter of those came to the US as an international student. So, but yet we don't have a startup visa.
That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for taking some time out of your busy schedule, and that's a wrap.